Now, let's eat it. Looks delicious. Guys, you gotta try this at home. It's really good. It tastes way better with lime. I just dropped it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some lime to the cactus. Lime squeezer. Just like that. Turn it around. Basically it. Now I added the lime to the cactus as you just saw. Now let's eat it. I'm trying. Now let's eat it. Looks delicious. Guys, you gotta try this at home. It's really good. It tastes way better with lime. I just dropped it. Tastes so good. I'm gonna get a thigh, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat it with a piece of cactus. Just like this. Ready? You want some? Try it at home. Try it at home. It's so good. Carrot. I'm enjoying this meal. Hell yeah. Best meal ever. See? Carrot and cactus. Alright. The cactus be the chicken. Open up, open up, open up, open up. Ah! Delicious. I still have another leaf over there. Yeah, I still have another cactus leaf over there, guys. I'll probably leave that for later. But guys, try this at home. It's really good. If you've never tried cactus before, it's time. Where can you find the cactus at? Well, in the woods. In the desert. Where can you find the cactus at? Desert, No, you can buy the cactus at Mexican stores. They sell them there. Clean them up, or they're already clean. It just depends. You just gotta search for them. Sometimes they sell them in they're like right there on the shelves where the vegetables are. Those verbs. Oh my.